Welcome to Jerome, Arizona. Today is February 29th, 2024. Yes, it is the leap year. It's currently around 1:30 p.m. I'd say it's about maybe 60-65 degrees out. It is beautiful and very sunny. As you can see, we are overlooking some just gorgeous scenery. So we're just going to come around here. I think this is Clark Street I'm about to walk up. So Jerome's modern history began in 1876 when three prospectors staked claim on rich copper deposits. They sold out to a group which formed the United Verde Copper Company. That was in 1883. The resultant mining camp of board and canvas shacks was named in honor of Eugene Jerome, the venture's principal backer. So I'm really going to be walking into most of the shops and restaurants. Looks like an abandoned building. So I'm going to cross the street. Yeah, most of the restaurants are up the street a bit. See more of the beautiful scenery. So Jerome is considered kind of a haunted town. The Grand Hotel, which sits high up in the city, used to be the United Verde Hospital, which I believe I saw accounted for 9,000 deaths. And now it's a haunted hotel. So I believe we're coming up upon the site of a burnt down hotel, an old saloon. You can see people try to shoot change into the toilets down there. And there's a ghost outhouse. But yeah, this is the site of the old Barlet Hotel, which apparently burnt down. It says here it was the first two-story building in Jerome. It had rooms for dances, dining, and sleeping. In 1898, the structure was destroyed by fire. And the plaque over here is the saloon. So I'm guessing this half of the building was the saloon and the other was the hotel. See how everything steps up here. This town is on the side of a mountain. There's the Jerome Historical Society Museum. mountains in the backdrop. Some cool stores around. There's a Jerome post office.
Yeah. Of course, here probably everybody had a PO box, huh?
There's hot and hamburger right here.
No, I'm just sitting and reading stuff.
Thank you.
Get a really good view of the scenery from up here. There's a snow-covered mountain in the background there. I don't know if you can see that. And we're coming up to the Jerome Fire Department. And here's an advert for the Gold King mine. I went down here last time I was in Jerome. I went to the Gold King mine. It's pretty cool with old cars and all kinds of antique machinery and tools. Alright, so that's going to do it for this walk. As always, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you like my content in general and you haven't done so, hit the subscribe button. Check out my photography at WayneOxfordPhotography.com, and I'll see you next time.